Hey guys, you want your first 5 clients? This video is for you. In this video, I'm sharing exact method on how I got my first client, and you can also get your first 5 clients. And the method is very simple and very beginner friendly. So you have skills, you want to sell your skills, you also posted on social media that you are providing these services, web design, graphic design, any services, and also you created Fiverr account, Upwork account. You are not getting any clients. So what's the solution? If you go to any company and you want to get job there, they will ask you for experience. If you don't have experience, they will give you internship. They will not give you a job because they want an experience for that. So you are a beginner, you are just getting started, and you want to get your first 5 clients. So what you will have to do is to provide free value. So for example, you can find a lot of those prospects and clients who want a free work, or you can provide free value so that they can convert it into your clients. So let me give you an example. When I was getting started, I didn't have any experience in web design. My client asked me if you can solve this problem. I went to YouTube and found a solution. I solved that problem for the client for absolutely free, and once I solved that problem, I became a web design guy for him without any much experience. And then I redesigned the whole website for him for a lot of cost. So that was my first website that I did for my client for without expecting anything, but in return I got a lot. So my advice is same for you, that start providing free value. Now let me tell you what are the things that you will get from providing free value. So for example, you will find a lot of these prospects and clients who want services or who want website, graphics, etc. but they want to hire very experienced person. Now what you can do is that you can pitch your services without expecting anything from them, and you can say that it's absolutely for free. They will be happy to try it out. Now let's say you provide those services. Now there are 4 to 5 things that you will get in return without any effort. The first thing is that you can ask for testimonials. For example, you created a free website for a prospect, you will get a free testimonial. That means that if you want to pitch your services to other clients, you can show that testimonial to them. So that is one thing. The second thing is, which is experience. You can now show that website to other clients so that you can get another project. The third thing is that even you will get a referral. For example, the clients loved the website, now they will refer you to their friend, family, or their business partners. Now you will get another client. Or maybe the fourth one, which is very important. There are a lot of business owners who wants to pay for good work. Even they will pay you tips. So maybe if you provide free services, they will pay you for those services because you done a great job. Now let's say they even don't pay you at that time, but let's say they need another website after some time, or they need some changes in the website, then they will definitely love to pay you for those services. So there are a lot of benefits that you can get from providing free services, and that way once you get your first 5 clients through that, you will have 5 testimonials, 5 website experience, you might have 5 referrals, or you might also have 5 paid clients. So this is the power of providing free services. In simple words, give until they ask. So this is a very simple method that you can get free clients. This is not something like, oh, I'm giving all of my time, etc. This is not absolutely free. In the beginning, you have to struggle and you have to do that in order to get more clients so that you can reject or say no to those who are not paying. In the beginning, you have to do this. If you have skills, then I will definitely recommend to ask for more pay. But if you don't have experience, try this method and let me know. So that's all. If you try this, you will get your first client as a beginner if you don't have any previous clients. So let me know this works for you, and see you in the next one.